Fake only. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Fake only. Come back.
One battle mouth, pwede open na.
On the gate, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Gate.
May shapers lang 8
Come back fast. If you're gonna Judy, listen. If you're gonna Judy helmet before 1, before the countdown. Judy helmet should be popping on like 3, maybe 2. Around that time.
Ang dami nila sa north, no?
Sa akin nag-engage talaga. Di-respawn ako.
Saan yung base mo?
Yeah. No.
Bakit namatay yung behemoth
Ba't
to?
namatay yung behemoth?
Ini-stop lang ako, hinold ako.
Ba't ka nandun, pre?
Tapos yung loot gag.
Mula half-life, pinagbabalista ako.
Hindi, ba't gano'n yung position mo na nasa north ka?
No, continue the fight na lang.
Yeah, careful evergreen, engage ka din yan. Everyone get ready.
Sayang yung loot.
Ay, ginano sa smuggler?
4%.
4% on the gate, spread southwest, come southwest. Open the chest.
Open.
Spread southwest, come southwest.
Hindi ka na-engage na tanks, ha? Careful.
Just come southwest, boys, just come southwest. Come southwest. Spread southwest, go inside. Too many tanks up front. You guys are gonna get engaged shallow and kidnap. Yeah, come inside. Let them go deeper.
No,
They don't wanna fucking go deep. Just step. Everyone's ready. Fake only. Another engage gonna come soon. Okay, careful. Snowfell, can you try to push them?
Charging.
Snowfell, on your next push, can you try to push everyone hugging the wall towards me? Get ready, okay? Tell me if you have CD already.
Be looking na.
Tell me if you have CD already.
BM, no mic, goddamn.
Stupid ass. Yo, get ready. Everything. Hold on. Tangina mo, bobo mo, putang ina mo. Ano ka sa was?
Lang mic yan.
Sabi ko, get ready, tinulak mo na agad. Sa countdown naman sana.
Engage yan.
Defense shallow. Everyone get ready. Use your fucking brain, man.
Shipper stacking.
Shallow. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Shallow. Come back.
Nice.
Spread west side, boys. Why is he going north? Why is he going east side? Just fuck you there. What the fuck?
40. Hitting the back.
Engage sila.
Patay si DFO eh.
Shipper southeast. Okay.
Yo, get ready. Snowfell, get ready to push, Yo, careful, everyone. Step up. Northeast shallow. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Northeast shallow. Yo, exalted on that shit, man. Ready, defend. Yo, exalted on that shit. In the silence, man. You basically a support. Can you like exalted on dissociation? Exalted that shit. We get excited. Spread southwest. Yo, listen, gate's about to break, okay? 22% on the gate. 22% on the gate. Careful. It's a fake. Or it's an engage inside, actually. Heal bawang. Heal up.
Boom, nabump
Oh,
sila.
that brimstone is scaring them.
Bumalik. Shipper stacking southeast.
Southeast shipper ah.
Careful. Why do you keep dying in the front, nigga? You shallow the tank inside. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Shallow tank inside. Come back. Yo, they're gonna full break the wall and walk in, okay? Spread.
Yeah.
Listen. We just need to survive the next engage, okay?
Tank.
Survive the next engage. After surviving the next engage, walk in, okay? Deep, okay? Just wait. If they push in deep, Just get ready. They get.
Coming, coming.
Everyone walk in. 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 Hold them. Hold them. Hold them. Hold them. We're gonna engage shallow on the tanks. Okay. Shallow only on the tanks. Give me fix on the back line. Get ready. Shallow on the tanks. West side. Get ready. Shallow on the tanks. West side. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Shallow on the tanks. West side. Shallow on the tanks. West side. Shallow on the tanks. West side. Nice. Now come back. Come back. Spread. Spread. They're gonna walk in. They're gonna walk in deep. Tanks. Peel. 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 Ready full defend. Ready full defend. On the next engage, we walk in. Okay. Ready your potion. They're going deep. They're going deep. They're going deep. They're going deep.
1K, Luffy.
Defend now, defend now.
Follow.
I'm walking now. Walk in now. Tanks hold them. Hold them. 5 seconds. Get ready. On the choke. 5 seconds on the choke. On the choke. Wait. Hold. Southeast. 5. Inside. 4.
Uy.
Wala ka Mugi.
3. Listen, spread. Don't walk southwest. Spread. 1K is walking southwest. Spread. He's looking. Ready, defend inside. Defend inside. Heal up, come southwest. Okay? Heal tads, come southwest. Get ready, okay? We're gonna full turn on them on this choke, okay? Get ready to silence them on the choke. Keep coming. Northeast, get ready, okay? Northeast shallow, get ready. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, northeast shallow. Come back. Listen. Spread now. Just spread. You cleanse, man.
Spot.
Oi, walk in with them. They miss. Walk in with them. Hold them. 8 seconds. Brawl. Brawl the southwest also. Look at southwest, Southwest. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Southwest now. Oh, listen. Spread southwest. 1K looking. He doesn't have engage yet. He's gonna have engage soon. Spread southwest. Careful people in the front.
Ipa lumipat ng northeast
Dude, the fucking cleanse there is so bad, man. The fucking cleanse there is so bad.
Naglulot.
Yo, hold this inside. Kill this tank inside. Kill this looter inside.
Guys, when you
Everyone
see
get ready,
Bobby-
okay? Yo, listen. Ready your potion. We're gonna counter engage. Comes out. Ready your potion. Wait, I'm faking only. Hold on. Wait, walk in. Ready your pots. Walk in. Potion out. Inside, northeast. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Inside crowd. I come west city. They're gonna push in, okay? Listen. They don't have engage yet. They're gonna have engage soon. Cleanses. They're gonna engage soon, okay? Get ready. Yo, they have engaged now. Ready, defend inside, okay? Ready, defend inside. They're looking. Defend now. Everyone, get ready. Marlika, find me. On top of me. Southwest. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Southwest now. I come inside. Nice. Come inside.
Go Helion.
Spread southwest side. SW.
Wala ko doon sa ano.
Oh, Brimstone. Oh my goodness.
Ooh.
Careful, spread southwest. Careful. They're gonna look here.
Pinupul ka lang mo.
Everyone get ready. East side on the choke. Very fast engage. East side on the choke. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Very fast engage. East side on the choke. Ay, come back fast. Full peel.
They're not chasing.
Yeah, just hold. Kill this tank inside. Kidnap the tank inside. Kidnap ball.
Binabomb sila sa likod.
Kidnap ball. Listen, no, spread north side.
Boss Lance, pa-trade ako. May nalot ako.
I still have 5
Wala ako.
minutes.
Hindi ako makatag.
Sige.
Wala mo net. Sa'yo mo na yun.
Bob.
Huwag ka lang papatay.
Huwag nyo muna yan.
Evergreen na lang.
Guys, obvious yung counter nila, guys. Just ready your potion.
Yeah, double OC.
Double C now, guys.
May food ka na lot pre.
Oo.
Bob.
Basta balusin na kayo, makalimutan yan.
You get ready? Shallow na gate, very fast engage. How many DPS in 42 and 43?
Dalawa pa rin, 48-3.
Everyone get ready. Very shallow engage, okay? Shallow engage on the choke. Listen, shallow engage on the choke, we pull back fast, okay? Everyone get ready. Shallow engage on the choke. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Shallow engage on the choke. I pull back fast.
Sige, okay yan.
They're gonna engage on the choke. They're looking on the choke. They're stepping up. Hold them.
Hold them.
Pull back. Spread now. They're gonna engage. She's engaging inside on me. Defend inside. Heal up. Everyone hold them on the choke. We're gonna kill everything inside the castle. Get ready. Inside the castle, get ready. Hold this inside the castle. On the choke. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. On the choke now. Alright, come back. Come north. Just walk. Pull them inside, CJ. Pull them inside.
They're in your hard defensive stance. They're just walking. They're not engaging at all.
Kamas.
They have only one engage.
Pa-trade ako, full na ako. Kakalot ko.
Ba't kasi loot ng loot?
Hindi boss, may namatay sa harap ko eh. Narat.
May naglulut naman dyan.
Wala.
May namatay
Tinuruan ni
sa...
Kajak. Mugig, tinuruan ni Kajak.
Let's come with this.
Wala looter.
Come on, send more.
Sila bitin di
May pod. Sino may pod yan? Bips to. Nalot.
Konti
Come
ka.
inside. Mantik help, why?
Oo, Mugi, hindi rin sila nagdo-double OC eh.
Kasi
Oh,
namatay ka sila eh. Kakausi lang nila eh.
Namatay sila eh.
Ay, hindi ito. Ito
May mga hindi naka-double sa kanila.
O, 3 minutes. Ayun, nababasagan na.
Tayo nababasagan pero hindi sila.
Tayo.
Ayun.
Di looking.
Oh.
Double OC.
Pinupul lang
Sila
talaga
sila.
tayo. Pinupul lang tayo.
I have no slot, bawang.
Gogo, may occult.
Guys, pahingin ng mace, nabasag yung ano ko.
Wala.
Gago, silly issue sa'yo.
Oh, engage.
Inside, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Inside. Spread.
Bigyan niya ng Macy, that's you.
Kayo.
Just chill. Just wait.
Hindi daw Macy, touch me. Sa mga may mace.
Ayun, sinabi naman mag-double OC, hiniga.
Kanina pa sinabing double OC eh.
Retarded na ata kayo doy.
Shipper stack.
Sino ba nabasagan?
Si Touch yun. Yung ditang mo.
Shipper. Nag-engage na. Nag-engage na.
Naglocos na.
Naglocos na din.
Southeast on the choke. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Southeast choke now. It's all of them. Now spread. They're walking in. Spread. They're walking in. Tanks hold them. Good hold. Just hold them. Spread. He misses engage.
Hindi sila pumasok.
No, he misses engage. Spread northwest. Wait.
Nakapasok.
Good stops there.
Gago, hindi sila nakapasok. Oh.
Wala na silang locos, nag-pop.
Napap na yun din yung guard drone tsaka locals eh.
Hindi nakakatakot
Ayun,
pumasok
modas sana sila sa Brimstone.
Tinitingnan din ako na ito eh. Mag-full. May nakakita akong DPS na north to.
Wala ba DPS on the north? Who are you? Big deal, layo mo para sa carving ah.
They looking.
Shipper stack.
Kill my front line, just shield. Inside, the tank inside. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Tank inside.
May bomb na sila.
Come back, spin northwest. Ano bomb nila?
Ano ba sila?
Si Woki.
Ano ba?
Shepard.
Hindi, meron daw eh.
Yes, nag-meet mo or...
Napatayin niyo si Woki.
Hold him. Spread, boys, spread! I can engage west side!
1k looking.
Yo, Marnica, ready your potion. We're gonna headbutt, okay? Listen, get ready. 1k inside. Ready defenses. Just wait. Hold. Potion. Everything southwest, deep. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Deep on me. Kill this guys.
They're north
I
now.
come southwest. Click the gate southwest.
Shipper.
Click the gate southwest. Everyone come inside. We go back inside. It's gonna be too risky if we go.
North people.
We go north side there.
Bawang, mamamatay.
Pwede na yan.
We go inside. Where they?
So, bawang.
May mga namatay oh. Bawang.
Okay.
Yo, spread now. They're walking in. Spread. They're walking in.
Sino may mace? Pahingin mace.
Yeah, double OC, niggers. The people that haven't double OC'd yet. Nobody shouldn't be breaking. Yo, kidnap the carving. Yo, on the carving, get ready, on the carving. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, carving. Oh my goodness.
Oh, nag-grab.
Ang bagal ng snatcher, ang bagal ng heal yun. Like, gusto ko na engage yan, pero wala pa rin.
Kayo ano, kay Nails. Nagigis kay Nail. Nagigis na.
Yo!
Yeah. Just hold, come southwest. Just hold southwest, man.
Saan yung bomb nilang shaper na wala na?
Napaka-obvious naman ng reach to.
May eye kayo doon sa shaper kung nasaan.
Just hold west side.
Oh, nasa
Nakita ka.
That's why you die, nigga, no!
Nag-regir ata namatay.
You fucking got killed by gankers. Who's ganking you? Don't tell me it's fucking just fuck you again, man. Swear to God. That guy has no life.
Tumunog na yung labahan ko.
Wala kayo na-loot na mace.
Yung carving ano?
Carving.
Stepping in na ulit sila. Stepping in. Shippers na akin.
Spread southwest. Everyone get ready, headbutt, okay? They're not engaging yet, Oh my god, Shaper.
Uy!
Bigay dyan sa ano.
Pengi, patay ka na naman, Pengi.
Ako rin naman tinitingnan eh. Galit na galit sa akin eh.
Eh, ang lalim mo eh!
Hindi, feeling ko pengen may mali sa positioning mo talaga eh.
Oo. Position talaga.
Wala naman ngiti sa pata dun eh.
Boom! Patay sila!
Uy.
Patay sila!
Everyone,
Boom!
everyone come inside. Shallow, get ready. On the tank inside, okay? They're gonna turn here, ready potion. Ready potion. Tanks walk in. Get ready, okay? Give me a fake. Everyone get ready. South. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, south down. Everybody. Walking now. Hold them. Brawl them. Everyone outside. Walk out with them. Spread and walk out. We're gonna engage inside. Spread now. We're gonna engage on 1K. Oh, get ready. Everybody get ready. Hold. Ready. Inside. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Inside on me. Yo, catch them all. They're running.
Kill the Gucci.
Nandito.
Eh, ito,
A3 mace. CJ, ulin mo.
Catch them all, guys.
Asan yung mace? Akin yung mace.
Pretty
Wala
heavy
akong
assault,
mace.
nigga.
3.
Ping.
Pretty heavy as fuck.
Patayin nyo yun.
Isa.
Ping lang. Huhulihin ko.
Hindi na yung pag ano nga sa